Ooh. Running above. Hello and welcome back to yet another video of Flowworks. Thanks so much for everybody that subscribed to this channel. It means so much to me. So yeah, we're slowly growing and creating some kind of community. Today's show is all about portrait. We're going to be doing a portrait abstract painting, and we are probably going to be sort of using just these three colours to create some kind of painting for you today. So stick around for that. It's probably going to take a few nights to paint this because I don't get everything done in one go. I have to leave it to dry and then come back and then repaint over the top. So keep watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Smash that like button for me on this video if you can. That would be absolutely great. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to this channel, it's called Flowworks and we create pieces of art. Going to teach you sort of how to create. And by the way, you're on this journey with me. So I've started this channel with my very first painting, and every single painting I've done, I've recorded. So there's no practice. I'm just literally going for it. Let's get on with the painting.
Loved ones recalling past joys or just remembering how to walk and talk and fry an egg. Memory is the chain that connects our past to our present. If it breaks, we're left untethered, incapable of leaving the present moment and unable to embrace the future.
Remember when there were no MP3s but CDs? Didn't care about germs, no concern of disease. Street lights came on, we high-fived and we leave. Back in the days it wasn't so hard to believe that I would wake up as the Black Power Ranger, never scared of danger. Snapping my fingers to the beat of my drum. Became addicted to fun, we would fight with our hands. Never needed a gun, we would gladly chill in the house, play mom and daddy. The greatest feeling was when nobody could ever tag me. So happy, not being the last to be chosen, to run to the candy lady to buy us a Frozen. We were just kids up to no good. Remember the first time you watched Boys in the Hood? Rat tail in the back while my barber fades me. Do you remember when? Yes, no, maybe.
When you would hear a song you like and you felt like it was about your life. Remember when you would write a letter to your girlfriend and she would read it to all of her girlfriends. Remember staying up all night talking on the phone. Remember skipping class with your homeboys.
Yeah.
Remember G.I.
Hey yo, I wrote this shit up all day. A long stay in the hallway. Harking back to an era of the tape play. Hitting on the track well, on a max cell. With the spitting, the beginning of a rap tale. Elastic scoop through Luke shine vividly. In due time, produce rhyme synergy. And for the longest caught the blinking of the torment. Till inkling of performance, still thinking of us dormant. And so it be, who hold close and kept dear. Were left there, won't know folks by next year. For ties cut, invest shares, perplex peers. Rise up, reflect fear, for hex snares. The rest cheer, know we did it for a purpose. Poem of a kid who never did scratch surface. Until he owned it, respect the craft from proponents. Cause it ain't over till it's sown.
Remember
what?
You would hear a song you like, and you felt like it was about your life. Remember when you would write a letter to your girlfriend, and she would read it to all of her girlfriends. Remember staying up all night, talking on the phone. Remember skipping class with your homeboys. Remember G.I. Joe's.
I used to play Mortal Kombat with Matthew. I swore he used to cheat. I swear I could never beat him. Those sour jawbreakers, I swear I could never eat him. Baddest chick in the school, I swear I could never meet her. Until I wrote her a letter telling her I'm a singer. Me and Terrence would draw pictures of sneakers. Me and Ashley used to be in the class singing. I wrote my first rap in the back of the class thinking, I'm feeling it, yeah.
Feel alive, did you get feeling alive? If you feel it, raise your L in the sky.
I remember selling my mixtapes in high school. They was really kinda supportive at my school. I was selling cassette tapes for $5. I was making my own beats, I was beatboxing.
Brown, brown sugar, that brown for brown, ayy. 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 Brown, brown sugar, that brown for brown, ayy.
Take a yellow sip, cause I'm tryna have a better day. Ain't gonna get delirious, just sit here by the bay. Might take a bigger sip, starting to feel okay. I think the party's getting serious, so all the other things can wait. Never listen to warnings, but there's no reason to worry. Done with my second drink, getting a little tipsy. Ain't gonna get delirious, so party hard till I'm 60. All the other things can wait. All the other things can wait. Well, I took too many sips. I mean, what exactly is too many? As long as I'm walking, I'm okay. I'll feel better anyway. Forgot about my proms, but how am I gonna get home? I spend all my money and drinks and now I roam. Never listen to warnings, but there's no reason to worry. Never listen to warnings, but there's no reason to worry. All the other things can wait. Oh, all the
Never enough of you. I can't be satisfied. I wanna sink with you in luscious drops of time. Oh, you honey in my mind. Oh, you honey in my mind. And when we kiss, my heart is shaking like a willow tree. The whole house is spinning. The waves will freeze across the sea. Your lazy staring makes me spin like a roulette. You say a word and I am a captive of your net. Cause you only in my mind. And when we kiss, my heart is shaking like a willow tree. The whole pose is spinning. The waves will freeze across the sea. And when we kiss, my heart is. Yes, when we kiss, my heart is shaking like a willow tree. The will pause is spinning. The waves will freeze across the sea. Across the sea.
thanks so much for watching to the end of this video. I really hope you like this abstract modern art piece. I absolutely love this one. Kept the colours simple, the black, the teals, the whites, and a bit of fluorescent pink in there, just to mix it all up. I like a little bit of pink, and I like the teals, as you know. So yeah, I think this piece works really well. I think it's more of a portrait piece as well. I love the fact that the dark area sort of comes down into this corner, sort of fades up to a bit of white, and then you've also got some patches of white. It looks really textured, really layered. Yeah, I just think it's great. I might actually stick a nice sort of chunky frame around this one. But yeah, I really like this one. Hope you like this one too. Comment down below if you like this, if I went a little bit too far with the pink, or if I should have left the pink off. I would really love to know your thoughts on this. Thanks again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell notification, because then you'll be reminded of the next video that I bring to you for subscribing. So until next time, art fans, take care and join me in the next Flowworks project.